Okay, so let's say we're writing out a switch statement with 10 cases, and we want each number to be 1 through 10. We could just go through and edit each number here. We could write a macro, but there's an easy way to do it. We can go into visual block mode, select all the numbers, and then we can press G, Ctrl A, and then we have 1 through 10. Super easy, just like that. What that's doing is that Ctrl A increments one number, really useful, but G Ctrl A will increment numbers consecutively, super useful. Ctrl X, by the way, decrements one number. Okay, the next tip is uppercase marks. So if I press M to create a mark and then press uppercase A, that creates a really easy way for us to get back to our file. So say we're in a different file, we can press single quotation and then uppercase A, and we're immediately back there. It also works if I quit out of Vim now, and then I go back to Vim, I can immediately go single quotation A and I'm back here, or single quotation B. So it saves even when you close Vim, which is really, really useful to get straight back into your code. Okay, another useful thing is, say we have a really long variable name like this. Vim can immediately do, if I just type real and then press Ctrl N, it's going to immediately put it in long other name equals 12. If I then do real and press Ctrl N, it's going to autocomplete, but I can cycle through just by pressing Ctrl N. So Ctrl N for really long, Ctrl N again for really long, other name equals blah 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 blah. Super, super useful. Okay, the final tip today is that we can do colon term to open a terminal, and then we can do Ctrl W, capital H, J, K, or L. Capital L, it's going to move it over here, and then we can do any command we want. So we can do dgc, let's say we've got that. And then we've got an error, so we can do Ctrl W, Shift N. We can do /error to find all our errors, cycle through the errors. This is just like being in normal mode. So we found our error, then we can go I back to insert mode. We could rerun our command, we could do whatever we want. If we want to change the size of a window, we can do colon vertical resize. And then say I want it to be 60 wide, it makes my terminal a bit smaller. If we're in Ctrl W, Shift N, we also can do Ctrl and Q, quit to close the terminal down. Thanks. See you guys.